Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn pair of linear equations in two variables together, step by step. Here we solve two linear equations together. We'll see what the solution means on a graph, learn the substitution and elimination methods, and find out when a pair has one solution, none, or infinitely many. Each equation draws a straight line. The solution of the pair is the point where the two lines cross, the x and y that satisfy both at once. Compare the coefficients. If the ratios of a and b differ, the lines cross once, a unique solution. If a and b ratios match, but c differs, the lines are parallel, no solution. If all three ratios match, it's the same line, infinitely many solutions. Solve x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 1 by substitution. From the second, x is 1 plus y. Put that into the first. 1 plus 2, y equals 7, so y is 3. Then x is 4. The solution is 4, 3. For 2x plus 3, y equals 12, and 2x minus y equals 4, the x terms already match. Subtract the equations to eliminate x. 4y equals 8, so y is 2. Substitute back to get x equals 3. The solution is 3, 2. To recap, the solution is where the two lines meet. Solve algebraically by substitution or elimination, and the ratios of the coefficients tell you whether there's one solution, none, or infinitely many. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.